Hi, welcome to AWS Lambda Functions. So right now we are going to see in previous video we just created. After created, it comes with the predefined some template. So right now you can invoke this. So this is just this is a Python code and this is a function. Okay. In this function, we are returning a status code with 200 and just printing hello from Lambda. And in this function you can able to see import or JSON. So it is a namespace or the library. Okay, I'm going to return as a JSON. And the second one is in this function you have two parameters. One is the event, another is context. Okay, and we'll see there are so many steps are inside there. Okay, so what is event? So in event, I'm going to pass an input parameters. That input parameters will be captured here and I will pass here and I will use it to for any operations. And the context will be the AWS informations will be there, like how long the data has been run and what is the charges for that AWS pre-fill. Okay, that we will see it right now. We will trigger this lambda function. What how it comes actually we'll see. Since it's a dummy thing, I want to show how to trigger it from here. Okay, so this is a code editor. Now what we'll do is, in order to trigger this lambda function, we'll go here and configure something called test events. So once here, this is like a events. So basically, events is nothing but I have to call the lambda functions through some events, correct? In order to test that lambda functions, okay, I can test in three ways actually. One is you have to integrate your UI. Through UI, you will call the API. API is like a middle level layer, and that API will call this events, I mean, this lambda function, and you will pass a parameter that will trigger. So until that, we can't wait it, correct? So I will create some dummy events such that in order to test whether this lambda function is working fine. So what we do is I will make, so this is my key. So I'll make a say first name and this is my last name and this is my say my website name. So first name I'll give as Ram and this I make to Kumar. Website I'll make as a coding tutorial. Uh, I just configured. Let me make. It's asking. Oh shit! Lost it. Let me create a name. Okay. I make as say employee events. Okay. So I make once again lost it. I give first name. Um, Last name and website name. So website name is coding. Oh, I will save it. I'll create it. Okay. So since I have created the events and these events will come here. So in Python you have something called indentation. If your indentation missed, Python will definitely will throw an error. Okay, so I will make event of this key we have to give. Since I given first name, okay, we will log this one so we can print the value. Okay, and even here also we can log it. Even dot first name. Okay. Okay, this is I'm appending actually. So basically what I'm doing is whatever the this event we are passing, that value I'm getting, I'm just printing the value. Okay. Let me see, let me run and see. So I'm going to save, let me run it. Wow, see here, ram. So ram is a thing which I passed here. So that value is coming. Since I passed only the first name, I'm getting only the first name. So it's printed the RAM. And since I'm not given any space, that's why it comes like this. So if you make space like this, you get nicely. Okay. And so this is a result. So the responses come say 200, and in body I'm returning the first name and plus this hello world. And after see here, the results comes here actually. The status code is here, same thing. So these are the information that tells actually. This is my request ID and how many duration it runs for 100 milliseconds. So it is charged only for 100 milliseconds actually, and your resource consumed 120. And this is the log report actually. So my request ID and end report ID, and since I'm printing the value here, print of this, so it's printing here. Okay. uh, Let me create an error. Okay, I'm just creating some error, see how it's showing actually. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to trigger it. Okay, see here, syntax error in lambda functions unindented. So it tells the line number also where exactly the problem is that. So it will help us see line number 6 has a problem. So go here, line number 6 is okay. Line number 6 or line number 4. A syntax error doesn't indent of laminations of line number 6. Okay, so it's telling roughly actually, but the problem is here only. Okay, because we are returning value, no, that's why it's telling actually. The problem is here. You have to make your intention. So wherever the function starting, that intention should be in straight. Okay, so now I'm save it. Let me. I will append this first name, last name, or also. So such that it will be last name. I am appending the website name also. I will append it. So let me check what is this. Yes, website name. Okay. So you should be careful. If you miss the keyword, then it will throw an error. It won't come any value, I think so. Okay, let me save it. So it should come Ram plus Kumar and the coding tutorial. Let me run it and see. Yeah, success. Since I logged only the RAM, so its log is coming. So come to the execution part. Uh, Ram, Kumar, and coding. So this is output actually. Since I'm not giving any space, that's why it comes like this. Okay, so that's it. We'll see in next video. Thank you.